another virus. Panic buying, sometimes riots. And now the streets are very quiet. This rancid town is almost nice, but I'm not fearful for my health, for any virus or anything else. I'm more of a danger to myself, with things you can buy on supermarket shelves. When the world is overpopulated, why bother struggling to contain it? There are worse ways to say goodbye. I hope just the boring people die, except for me. I get to live. You will all die. So long, goodbye. Except me. Never mind social isolation. Why bother struggling to contain it? There are worse ways to say goodbye, but I hope just the boring people die. I hope just the boring people die. I hope just the boring people die. Oh shit. Except for me, I get to live. You will all die. So long, goodbye. Except me, I get to live. You will all die. I hope just the boring people die. I hope just the boring people die.